This product is a aluminum sliding window, 86 series product. There is a three-dimensional mullion bending arc design on outer frame. It conforms to ergonomic design and can be operated easily. At the interface of the opening sash, we use hard adhesive strips with polymer wool rope structure to realize sealing and tight closing. Its sealing performance is better than that of traditional products using wool strip. Here we make a groove design. Its function is water storage and drainage. This window also uses 3-layer sealing technology. The frame leaf uses the glue injection process to achieve integrity. In terms of design, we can maximize the viewing through the design of a large panel in the middle, small panels on both sides,